Hello everyone, my name is Adam Dixon, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing transformers. Enjoy some woodworking in the background, like usual. The initials GPT stand for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means these models create text. Pre-trained means they've already learned from vast amounts of data, but can still be fine-tuned. But the most crucial part? Transformer. A specific type of neural network that has revolutionized AI. Today, we're going to break down what actually happens inside a transformer, step by step, and understand why it powers tools like GPT, DAL-E, and more. Transformers can be used in a variety of ways. Some models transcribe audio. Others generate images from text. And some even translate languages. What they all have in common is that they predict what comes next. For instance, a language model like GPT takes in a prompt, predicts the next word, then uses that prediction as part of the next input, repeating this process until a full response is generated. The key to this magic is how transformers process and represent text. Let's take a closer look. For tokenization, first, the input is broken down, input in this case being hello, how are you, into smaller pieces called tokens. These could be words, like hello, parts of words, or characters, like comma and question mark. Each token is then assigned a vector, a list of numbers that encode its meaning. In this vector space, words with similar meanings are positioned closer together. For instance, king and queen are nearby, and words like Germany and Italy have directional relationships, reflecting real-world knowledge. But words don't exist in isolation. Transformers use attention mechanisms to update these embeddings based on context. The word model in machine learning model means something completely different than in something like fashion model. The transformer figures this out through layers and layers of computation. Each token's vector passes through the attention blocks, allowing words to influence each other based on context. The cat and the mat are subjects of this sentence, while sat is the action the cat takes to the mat. The multi-layer perceptions, or feed-forward layers, refine the information even further. Most of this computation boils down to matrix multiplications. GPT-3, for example, has 175 billion parameters spread across nearly 28,000 matrices. By repeating attention and transformation steps, the final layer produces a probability distribution of possible next words. The highest probability choice is selected, and the process repeats. Once we have the probability distribution for the next word, we apply what's called a soft matrix, which converts raw scores into probabilities. The model can then either pick the highest probability, in this case floor, for the sentence, the cat sat on the, or introduce a randomness using a setting called temperature. With a low temperature, the model plays it safe, meaning it'll most likely pick floor. With a higher temperature, it becomes more creative, meaning the cat could sit on the roof, or the cat could sit on the dog. But sometimes it will create nonsense. I mean, why would a cat sit on a dog? Transformers learn by adjusting billions of weights to reduce the difference between predictions and correct answers. This is done through backpropagation, a process that fine-tunes all of those numbers so that the model improves over time. Check out backpropagation in a video that I've done before in the past. One key innovation of deep learning is that these models scale remarkably well. With more and more data and bigger networks, they get better and better at understanding and generating human-like text. Transformers have changed the game. They power chatbots, image generation, translation tools, and so much more. The ability to encode and leverage context efficiently is what makes them so powerful. As AI continues to evolve, transformers will likely remain at the heart of the revolution, where it makes chatbots more conversational, improving accessibility, or even aiding scientific discoveries. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. If you want to learn more, check out my channel. And remember to subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.